The seller provided these Earthwash laundry detergent sheets in clean and scent-free for me to try and give you my honest opinion. Comes with an instruction manual that I highly suggest you read before you use them. They're nice and thick and they're sturdy, but they're not stiff. I decided to try them out on a medium load of my whites. I'm tearing the sheet apart as instructed in the manual, and I'm going to run that laundry with hot water. I was just curious how quickly it would take to dissolve a sheet, and it took about a minute with agitation. I'd say the feel was kind of silky, so my whites turned out great, and it just made me feel good to use such a product. And storing it away is so easy because it takes up like no space. A keeper.